Hi there, welcome to a demo of StockBot. This demo will cover various features and utilities of this program. We will dive into the user experience and the backend operations to make it all possible. Before we begin, please note that this bot was created solely for educational purposes. This bot does not make any attempt to purchase a product, it solely tracks data. The Discord server shown in this video was set up for the explicit purpose of presenting this demo and to give an idea of what an ideal server running this bot would look like. Now that that's out of the way, let's begin. Firstly, it's good to note here that all of the bot processes run in AWS or Amazon Web Services. This is how the bot can stay online all the time performing operations. So let's talk about how a user looking to use the bot will perform their own profile setup. First, a user within the server containing the bot will send an invite to the user looking to use the bot. After the link is clicked on, the bot will recognize a new user has joined the server and begin preparing a private channel for them. During this period, a directory containing the user's unique Discord ID is stored on the EC2 volume, along with some preliminary data that enables the bot to keep track of the user's products and what their status within the server is. Once this channel has been set up, the bot will grant the user permissions to allow them to see and use the channel, followed by pinging them with a greeting. This channel is where the given user will communicate and interact with the bot. Only they and a server admin can see and type in this channel. As we can see from the greeting, the bot asks the user to type ready within the channel. Following these instructions tells the bot the user is real and active. We now begin the product setup module. The bot will ask the user to paste the link to their first product they would like to track. Supported websites will be shown below. For this demo, we will show the bot using all supported websites, using a variety of products with varying degrees of stock level, starting with Newegg. Note that for this demo, all products chosen on any given supported website were selected completely at random. Upon copying and pasting the link, we see that the bot automatically detects that a Newegg link was submitted and begins to process it. At this moment, the bot connects to the given web page and downloads the raw HTML data. From here, it extracts info about the product, such as its name, price, and stock level. From here, it returns back what it found to the user in Discord. It asks the user if the information it found matches what they are seeing on the web page. If this information is incorrect, or the user wants to add a different product instead, they can type no and repeat the product extraction process for a different link. If the product information extracted is correct, the user will type yes. The setup is now complete, and the bot will begin tracking the product. Behind the scenes, the bot creates a file with the user's ID directory containing information about the product they just finished setting up tracking for, such as the URL, name, price, and stock level. At a given time interval, this is customizable, the bot will check all ID directories for these types of files, and, given the user's current settings for said product, will connect to the given web page and extract all data, again checking to see if anything has changed since the last check. In this case, we know the product on Newegg is in stock. The bot, however, does not know this yet, as it has not performed any checks on said web page. When the bot performs the check for the first time, it notices the product is in stock and takes to notifying the user that it has found the product to be in stock. If this item were out of stock, then this would be amazing news to the user, and they can click the link to buy the product. What if we wanted to add more than one product? Good question. StockBot supports an unlimited amount of product trackers for any given user. However, the more products being tracked, the more bandwidth and processing power required. For this demo, we will support up to 5 products per user. To add another product, we need to go into Settings. The user will type Settings into the text box. Once submitted, the bot will bring up the General Settings menu. Note that when a user is within Settings, active product tracking is temporarily disabled, as the user may be making changes to any given product. From the General Settings menu, the user will type Products. The bot will display all product tracking slots from the given user. From here, the user will type add product. This will make the bot launch the product setup module. From here, adding a product follows the same process as when the user performed a profile setup for the first time. In this portion of the demo, we will use Best Buy. After the user successfully adds a new product, they will be brought back to the product list page. This time, you can see 2 product slots being used along with their corresponding names. While the user is in these menus, they can go backwards to the previous menu at any time by typing back. Once the setup has been exited, the product tracking will resume and include tracking of the new Best Buy product. Deleting a product follows a very similar process to adding a product. The only difference is that the user would type delete product in the product list page and select the corresponding product to delete from tracking. StockBot just doesn't track stock levels. It can also track if a price change occurs. To enable for a given product, the user will head to the product list page and type the slot number of the product to access its specific settings. From here, the user is presented with all the product-specific settings. Note that the settings displayed may vary between supported websites, as some support certain features while others don't. In the settings list, Notify Price is available. The user will type it into chat. Upon submission, the bot will set this setting to true. If the user wanted to turn it off, then they would type that setting into chat again. With Notify Price set to true, in conjunction with stock notifications, the bot will send notifications to the user if a price change has occurred too. For both Canada Computers and Memory Express, the user has the ability to track stock levels at each individual store. To enable it, they will head back to the given product-specific settings and set Notify Store and Notify Store Specific to true. Notify Store tracks stock levels at all stores, while Specific tracks a specific store stock level. For this demo, we will track a product at the Canada Computers Oshawa store. After this setting is enabled, the user will receive alerts from the bot about the stock level at the given store. As a feature to prevent unexpected crashing, the bot also handles edge cases. It always checks if the user sent something non-expected and deals with their files accordingly if said user leaves the server. In terms of administrator access, the bot can easily be controlled straight in Discord, such as if a shutdown is required, the user can type close in the dedicated admin channel. This concludes the StockBot demo. I hope you found this project interesting as much as I did. Living in a pandemic with shortages everywhere sure does bring its challenges. The goal was always to see how I could minimize that. Thanks for your time, and I hope to talk again soon. Thank you.